So guys, just going for a bit of a walk, and I gotta tell you, one thing I really do look forward to is my daily walk. And this is a beautiful park in Brisbane. This is the River Rocks Park, and I've come here since it opened in the 90s, the late 90s it opened, and it's amazing. All the trees have come up so well. This used to be an industrial site for Queensland Cement and Lime, and they've turned it into a beautiful park, and it's really quite cool. I do enjoy this, and the big thing is I like going for a walk is just to clear the head, just have a chance to go for a walk and just think through problems or issues that I might have there. So it's one of these things, you know, sometimes in life you just don't know what's happening. For me, going for a walk I find really relaxing. So I'm just going for a walk. This is River Rocks Park. How have I been? Well, I gotta tell you, I'm okay. I got a lot to be grateful for. Things are okay. The weather is getting cooler, so you know that's quite nice in Brisbane. We're coming into one of my favorite times, autumn, and well, it is autumn, I should say, and it's really nice to go for a walk in the afternoon and have a bit of a look around. So I'm certainly not sorry for that, and I gotta tell you, it's really quite nice to come for a walk. And how am I going myself there? I'm okay. I'm doing okay. I'm doing the best I can. That's all any of us can do, is try our best and see what we can do. I must say it's been difficult, the situation I had, and I hope I'm slowly moving forward. I am trying my best, but I like to come for a walk just to get a bit of exercise and also just get some fresh air into my lungs. Nice fresh air is always cool. So that's what I like to do here, is come for a walk and see. Here's Panda Bear. So that's always very cool. Yeah, I'm enjoying life. I'm enjoying things. I like the walk. Nice tranquil spot to walk, very good for the mind, and I don't mind that at all. Coming for a nice walk, it's helps me relax a bit. So that's what I've been up to. The live streams, my daily live streams, they've been really good. I've enjoyed them. Timely has settled in. He's doing really good. Bear comes on a fair bit. I love the bear. Bears comes on the stream, and I got to tell you, it's really quite enjoyable. So yeah, that's been really nice, and that's something that I actually really enjoy, the streaming. So guys, I stream twice a day. I stream 12 hours apart. It's 8:30 a.m. Brisbane time, 8:30 p.m. and I think that's at night time in New York or early morning. So that's the times that I stream, which I really quite enjoy doing. So here we go, guys. This is the routine, going for a walk in this afternoon here. What do you think?